I've never done this before. It feels like when a parent sits in front of you and actually you have to invite him up on stage. I've really never done this before, but as the chair he stands as Deputy Chief Minister, I do my job. My dear active citizens, if I can call you all that now as we come to the end of the day, ladies and gentlemen, esteemed guests, boys and girls, it's my distinguished privilege to introduce a remarkable individual who's left an indelible mark on the fabric of Bangalore, my Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar. His journey is a testament not only to the current role of prominent political figure, but also in his early days as a determined active citizen. In his youth, long before assuming leadership roles, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar was a beacon of active citizenship, and that's something that I've watched as a child. Engaging passionately in the community initiatives, he sowed the seeds of a positive change, whether advocating for education or participating in grassroots projects, lifelong commitment to public service. Presently, serving as the Deputy Chief Minister of Karnataka, D.K. Shivakumar impacts and extends far beyond than political realms. At the forefront of the brand Bengaluru project, he is a visionary leader steering our city towards new heights. His strategic initiative and commitments to progress showcase a dedication to growth and prosperity of Karnataka and Bengaluru. Notably, along his sides from politics, he is also a passionate educator. His tireless efforts has significantly shaped the academic landscape, ensuring education reaches every corner of the society. As his daughter, I stand before you as a product of his education, a living testament of the lifelong learning he has instilled in me and the opportunities he's let me explore. Furthermore, D.K. Shivakumar is not just a political figure, but a thought leader for brand Bangalore. His visionary insights has positioned the city as a global hub for innovation, technology, and cultural richness. As a thought leader, he continues to inspire and redefine the Bangalore's identity on a global stage. He believes and lives what he says. He calls himself, by birth, I'm an agriculturist. By profession, I'm a politician. By passion, I'm an educationalist. But today, I think you should start adding to your lines that you're a pride Bangalorean. In conclusion, we welcome you, sir, our Deputy Chief Minister, Mr. D.K. Shivakumar, a multifaceted leader whose journey began with youthful dedication to a community service. From education to politics, from local initiatives to statewide project, his impact has profound, far-reaching. ನಾವಪ್ಪ ಯಾವಾಗ್ಲೂ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ದೇವ್ರು ವರನು ಕೊಡಲ್ವಂತೆ, ಶಾಪನು ಕೊಡಲ್ವಂತೆ, ಬರೀ ಅವಕಾಶ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕೊಡ್ತಾನಂತೆ. ಅವ್ರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಅವಕಾಶನ ನಾನು ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ಇವತ್ ನಿಮ್ ಮುಂದೆ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀವೆಲ್ಲರೂ ಆ ಅವಕಾಶನ ಉಪಯೋಗಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡು ನಂಗೊಂದು ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಈ ಜರ್ನಿನ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ನಿಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನನ್ನ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು. Today, let me honor an active citizen, an activism in himself, a fearless leader, a visionary leader, and a passionate educator who tirelessly works nights and days towards the development of his city, Bengaluru, and his state, Karnataka. I welcome you, sir, to give your address. Thank you so much.